Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me, Ika Fitriana. And this week is first week of Ramadan, and not false if we talk about food altogether. And happy fasting for Muslim people. I hope we are given blessing Ramadan from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Even though we are fasting, but not forced if we are talking about food. And I will share you an article about conclusion of article. The article is about food, especially restaurant. Before we go to the content, I will show you an article. This is the article. Okay. This is the article from Harvard Business School. The title is Legendary Cafe, the China Challenge. This article written by the author. The author is Christopher Bartlett Ararhat. Okay. Before we go to the China Challenge, we will talk about what is Legendary Cafe. Legendary Cafe is a fast food restaurant, was founded in 2011 and was grown become one of famous fast food in United States. It is a restaurant. For now, Legendary Cafe have many branches. There are 3,500 branches in the world, and about 2,300 branches have by company, and the other about 1,300 branches have by founder or owner. The owner is Howard Leventhal. Okay, now we go to the content of article. Legendary Cafe is a restaurant chain founded in United States, and they have about 3,500 locations and known with quick casual concept. They are serving food like soup, salad, and healthy sandwich. In early 2011, Mia Foster became a new CEO in this restaurant. Before it, the CEO is the founder. The founder is Howard Leventhal. Even though the finance of this restaurant is strong, but the company's share is worrying. The main focus of new CEO or Foster is legendary expansion to China. This is led by Louis Chen. Louis Chen is Chinese. Chen is independent, have many connectivity in China, and success to open about 23 restaurants in the short time. But after this company led by Chen many problems arise in Levendary. The problem like deviation concept, and then finance report problem, and autonomy versus control, problem about control. Audit reports show that many restaurants in China deviate from the standard concept in United States and menu in the main company in United States. Some restaurants in China just give a takeaway service and then using not good or not proper chair, and they change the menu like salad or sandwich with dumpling. That is the different menu. And then the problem in finance report, Chen as a CEO, as a leader in China, send finance report with the local format. The local format is different format with finance report in US. The format is not standard accounting on US, so main office or the team in main office must extra work to adjust the report of finance. And then Chen feel the freedom from founder is important to fast growing in China, but different with Foster. Foster implementing control and global standard to keep the brand integrity. This company, Levendary Cafe, have two different perspectives. There are perspective from Louis Chen, and the second is perspective from Mia Foster. Louis Chen have argued that radical adapt is important because the taste of China consumer is different with United States consumer, and he claimed that without the flexibility, restaurant in China cannot get maximal profit. And then Mia Foster and Mind Management, they worried that extreme deviation will break the brand image of Levendary Cafe, and Foster want to balancing the flexibility, the balancing between local adapt and brand standard. Okay, yes. Okay, next this case of Mia Foster. This case, and when Mia Foster, case of Chen, I mean, this case. This case ended when Mia Foster go to Shanghai, China on May 2011 to meet the lead, that is Chen. Foster make sure that Chen is the best leader and to lead transition from aggressive growth to professional management phase. Based on the data analysis from finance and operational, below is strategy by Mia Foster to balancing between local growth global standard to the global standard. The first is standardization of finance report. That is because the finance report of Chen is different with finance report in my company, so they will make standardization of finance report. Mia Foster make a rule that Legendary in China must use America accounting standard, or we know with GAAP, or generally accepted accounting principle, to reduce risk of report error, and assign Denver collaboration with Chen team to make sure data transparency in China, in Legendary Cafe in China. And the second is redefinition of menu adapt. Even though Chen have argued about the local consumer or China consumer is have different tastes with America or US consumer, but extreme deviation must be stopped with 3 ways. The first way is in main product categorization, and then the second, innovation based on margin, and the third is design feasibility test. And then the next strategy by Mia Foster, or the last, is restructurization of organization and work relation. Transition from local growth to personal manager is signing with some sign that is contract extension, best performance and support of main office, and then Chen contract will be extend with some KPI, not just focused to amount of restaurant, but based on profitability and standardization. Chen must make a supporter team in Denver that can give operational help and technique to Chen, so he not feel fight alone in China. That is 3 strategy by Mia Foster to balancing and to make a standardization product and keep the image brand in America and in China. From this article, we know that the good brand must have same standard, even though they have many brands in the world, but they must have standardization, so every brands in other country have the same product, have same taste, same like in the main branch or the main company. Okay guys, I think enough. That is conclusion of that article from me. Maybe if I have something false, please forgive, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.